Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiraj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the photodiode in the optoelectronic devices. So first of all, let me discuss here photodiode. So you can say that photodiode is an electronic device which operates in the reverse bias of PN junction diode. Okay, so ये PN junction diode की reverse bias में operate करती है like this. This is the PN junction and this is the depletion layer region which works as the transparent optical window. Okay, so this is depletion layer region and it works in the reverse bias, and here attach a load in which current will flow in order of microampere. Okay, so this is photodiode and it is an electronic device which works or which operates in a reverse bias of PN junction diode. ये PN junction diode की reverse biasing में operate करता है. Here, whenever light falls with energy h nu in this depletion layer region, where this depletion layer region works as a transparent optical window. Okay, so whenever this light falls with energy h nu, and here the energy gap, that is Eg, in this depletion layer region, and whenever h nu becomes greater than Eg, then produced a photon. Okay, जैसे ही ये एनर्जी एच न्यू इस एनर्जी गैप और डिप्लेशन लेयर की एनर्जी से ग्रेटर हो जाती है तो एक फोटोन प्रोड्यूस होता है, और इस फोटोन को एब्जॉर्ब करके एंड एब्जॉर्बिंग द फोटोन देन E and H develop. Okay, EH पेयर डेवलप होता है, और EH पेयर डेवलप होने पर क्या होता है, जैसे इस फोटोन को एब्जॉर्ब करता है, सो बिफोर रिकॉम्बिनेशन इट विल ब्रेक डाउन. ओके, यानी E एंड H क्या होते हैं, ब्रेक हो जाते हैं, ब्रेक्स बिफोर रिकॉम्बिनेशन. यानी पुनर्संयोजित रिकम्बाइन होने के पहले ही ये ब्रेक हो जाते हैं. ड्यू टू दिस, जैसे ही ये ब्रेक होते हैं, ओके, सो यहाँ पर कुछ करंट का फ्लो होता है. सम करंट विल डेवलप्ड एंड प्रोड्यूस सम EF, and that will obtain from this load which attached in this circuit. Okay, so here produce some EMF which obtained through this load, and in this way we can say that this photocurrent is directly proportional to the intensity of the light whatever we fallen in it. Okay, so simply you know that this is photodiode, which is an electronic device or electronic instrument which operates in the reverse bias of the PN junction diode. Here this depletion layer region works as an optical window. Whenever some light falls on this transparent optical window with some energy h nu, and whenever h nu becomes greater than Eg, then produced a photon, and as well as absorbed this photon, then developed EH pair. It means electron and holes pair developed, that will break before the recombination. Due to this, and ऐसा होने से क्या होगा कि इलेक्ट्रॉन जो होगा moves towards N and holes moves toward P. इलेक्ट्रॉन जो होगा वह एन की तरफ मूव करने लगेगा रीजन की तरफ, और होल जो होगा पी रीजन की तरफ मूव करेगा, और इन दिस वे here produce or develop some current or flow some current. Due to this induced current, here also develops some EMF that is known as induced EMF, and that will obtained through this or load, or that will stored in this load whatever will be attached in this circuit, and here current will flow in microampere order. So it's simply say that the photocurrent directly proportional to intensity, and it operates in the reverse bias. So in this way we can say that the graph whatever we obtain for the photocurrent, that will in the form of like this. This is milliampere and this is microampere, and this is volt, the positive direction, and this is negative direction. So it will flow like this. I1, I2, I3 and I4, and this current will increases continuously in reverse biasing like this. I4 greater, I3 greater, I2 greater, I1. So this is the order, and this is IV characteristic curve for this photodiode. So simply we can say that photodiode is an electronic device which operates in the reverse bias like this, reverse biasing, and here this depletion layer region work as the optical transparent optical window. Whenever this light falls this with some energy h nu, and as well as this h nu becomes greater than Eg, then here produce a photon, and after the absorbing of this photon, that pair electron holes will develop, and it breaks before the recombination. Electron hole pairs breaks before the recombination. Due to this, electron moves towards the n side and holes towards the p side, and due to this here develop flows some current that is known as induced current, and due to this induced current also develop or produce some EMF that is known as induced EMF, that will store in this load whatever be attached in this circuit RL, and here we can say that this photocurrent whatever be flowing in it, that is directly proportional to the intensity of the light whatever will be falling on this depletion layer region. So in this way the current will increases in continuously in reverse biasing like in order of microampere, that will showing in this curve. Okay, thank you.